and welcome back to another video. We are back with a new video. Ayan, so I'm starting with a makeup tutorial and this is the makeup that I did for today. So if you want to know how I did this look, keep on watching. So, magsimula tayo sa moisturizer. I'll be using the Jeju Aloe Eyes Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. Ayan. Ang tagal-tagal na nito sa akin. Ang hirap niyang ubusin actually. Kasi a little goes a long way. I'm actually looking for another moisturizer. Para lang meron akong pang rotation. So, if you have any suggestions para sa mga oily skin, please let me know down in the comment section para I could give it a try and ma-review din natin dito sa ating channel. Let's start with the eyes first kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin kong look, kung ma-fall out ba yung mangyayari. So, umpisa natin with the eyes. I'm using the Focalier Concealer as my primer for my eyes. So, for today's look, I'll be using the Petit Glaze color board and kinalas ko siya. Ayan, nakakalas na siya. Kasi ang hirap mag-go through dun sa palette kasi ang bigat niya, ang daming colors. So, ang ginawa ko lang, tinanggal ko yung screw dito sa likod and then it pops right out. So, for my base, I will be using ito, yung sa orange na palette. Itong shade na to. So, with a flat brush, I'll use that as my base and to set that concealer para hindi siya mag-crease. Nilapit ko na kayo para makita niyo kung anong ginagawa ko. Okay, for my transition shade, I'll be using this parang reddish brown dito. And then, I will mix it kasi medyo too warm siya. I can't find the perfect brownish red. So, I'll neutralize it with a little bit of this one. Medyo cool tone brown to. So, ipag-mix ko tong dalawang to. Ayan. So, this one, parang reddish brown siya. And then, a little bit of this one. Okay, I'll mix them both. And then, lalagay ko siya sa crease area. Next, I want to intensify that crease line. So, I'll take this shade right here. Yung parang shocking pink yung color. Just a little bit. With a small fluffy brush. And then, dun ko lang siya ilalagay dun mismo sa crease line. Just to intensify that pinky shade right there. To intensify my outer edge, babalikan ko tong reddish brown na ito with a more compact brush. And then, ilalagay ko lang siya sa dito, sa may outer V. So, patting motion. Then, dragging it in. Okay, bringing it up to my outer V. So, hanggang dito. But I'm also bringing it in. And then, kung ano man yung natira dun sa brush, isi-sweep ko dun sa outer part ng crease line. Para mag-connect siya dun sa my crease area. Pero hindi na ako magdadagdag ng product kung ano na lang yung natira. That shade right there, yung ginamit natin, medyo patchy siya ng konti. Pero, kinailangan siyang i-blend ng bonggang-bongga para hindi masyadong makita yung mga harshness. Pero, meron ako napansin na konting patchiness. Anyway, I want a bit of a dark shade dun sa outer edge kasi it's looking pretty red and pink right now. So, ang gagawin ko, kunin ko tong dark purple right here. And then, i-concentrate ko lang siya dun sa pinaka outer third to give a little bit of a little more darkness dito sa corner na to. Pinapat ko lang siya doon sa pinaka outer third. Hindi ko na siya masyadong ikakalat kasi ayokong mag-darken yung sa may bandang crease. Only this part right here. Para may konting lift dito sa outer V. Then, with a wet brush, I'm taking this shade right here, yung shimmer na pinkish na shade. And then, dito siya sa inner 2/3 ng lid. To brighten this area. Medyo nakukulangan pa ako dun sa pop nung shimmer shade dun. So, maglagay pa tayo ng isa pang color. Okay, so kukunin ko tong shade na to. Yung parang icy pink. And then, parang wala siya masyadong difference dun sa isa. Yan, natin ang finger. Ay. So, ganda talaga pag finger. There you go. Ito. Hi, now let's move on to the rest of the face before I finish my lower lash line. So for my foundation, I'll be using the Focal Your Skin Evolution in the shade 02. Next, concealer. Same concealer, Focal Your concealer. To set my face, I'll use the Pond's BB Magic Powder. Concealer naman tayo. I will be using the EV Advanced Eyebrow Kit. Tapusin ko muna yung lower lash line. So, balikan ko tong shade na to. I'll start with the pink one, this one. And then, lagay ko siya dun sa ilalim. Babalikan ko tong reddish brown shade na to. Just a little. Then you wanna make sure na mako-connect nyo yung shade nyo dito, papunta dito sa end nung taas nyo na shade para may continuity siya. And then, ilalagay ko tong dark purple shade dito lang din sa outer third. Okay, and then may pag-golden muta tayo. Kunin ko tong shade na to, and then, ilalagay ko siya dito. And then, drag it a little bit dito sa inner third. So, for my eyeliner, I'll use the EB Advance Eye Define. Ayan. And then, okay, and then maglalagay tayo ng bonggang lashes. So, this is the style that I will be wearing today. Okay, eyes are done. Grabe. Pinahirapan ako nung aking lashes. O, diba lakas maka-drag queen ng aking lashes. Anyway, moving on to the face. I want to warm up my face right now. So, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. So, ito yung gagamitin natin pang warm up ng face dahil mukha tayong mumu right now. Ayan. Okay, pang contour ng nose. Sansan High Definition Face Sculptor. Ayan, this shade right here. I find this quite perfect para sa nose contour. For my blush, ito na rin yung gagamitin ko, yung sa Sansan High Definition. Kasi medyo peachy pink itong shade na to. So, see. Okay, dahil medyo light siya, papatungan ko siya ng konting depth ng konti. So, I will take this EB Advanced Face Trio, tapos yung shade dito, this is the Fig Trio. There. Para may konting parang depth. Then, for my highlight, ito na rin ang gamitin natin. So, yung Sansan High Definition, babalikan ko siya dahil medyo may pagka peachy, golden peachy yung shade na to. So, high points of my cheeks. There you go. And then, tip of the nose. And then, dito banda. For my lips, I think I'll do a little bit of mixing. So, gagamit ako ng Plum for Me ng Maybelline. Kasi may konting, may red tones to, pero may hint ng pagka purplish pink, parang ganun. I'll get a more nude color by getting the Chris Matte Lipstick in the shade Life. And then finally, I will top it off with the EB Advanced Vinyl Lip Gloss. This is our final look. Ayan. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung look na ginawa natin for today. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung look na ginawa natin for today, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please do consider subscribing if you still haven't. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!
No, no, no.